Alright, so welcome back to our update on the layer poultry.
Okay,
They are
yes,
16 weeks today, and fortunately, we've recorded no mortality yet. The birds look
16
so
weeks.
strong and healthy.
They are
We
16 weeks
reduced
old.
the number since they were growing and they were occupying more space now. They need more space if you want them to grow well. So we have about just 30 birds in this coop.
Soon we'll be expecting our first eggs. These birds will soon be laying in about 2 weeks to come. We'll be expecting some eggs.
Okay, so we've grouped them in three. This is the first group. We'll move on to the other groups. Alright, so this is the next group, and they are also a little over 30. Yeah. Alright, so let's move on to the next group. They are a little more than the first and second group because their coop
That's
is
it.
bigger. They have enough space in that group, this group than the other two groups. Alright, friends, subscribe to the channel as I give you updates on our first eggs. I can't wait to see that day anyway. Bye.